Again, the formula is 1 over f is equals to 1 over do plus 1 over di. Magnification equation, height of the image divided by height of the object is equals to negative distance of the image over distance of the object. Sample problem. Number 1. A 2.00 cm tall candle is placed a distance of 4 cm from a concave mirror, having a focal length of 7.5 cm. Now determine the image distance and image size. So write first the following given. Meron tayong height ng object, 2 cm. Meron tayong distance ng object, 4 cm. And we have the focal point or focus, 7.5 cm. You are asked to solve for di and hi. Tama? So may formula tayo for hi, may formula tayo for di. So let's have the following formula. Unahin ko yung kay di. Okay? Formula, hindi na ako magde-derive. Diretso na lang. May calculator naman tayo, di ba? 1 over f is equals to 1 over do plus 1 over di. We're trying to solve for di. So lipat natin yung 1 over do sa kabila. Change sign lang. So rearranging 1 over di is equals to 1 over f minus 1 over do. Ano nangyari? Ba't naging negative? Ito, nilipat ko sa kabila ng equality sign, change sign. Then substitute the following value. 1 over di is equals to 1 over f. What's the value of f? 7.5 cm. Minus, what's the value of do? 4 cm. So use a calculator. Simplify this by computing it. Can I borrow a calculator? Thank you, Sabina. Okay. So dito, dire-diretso na gawin nyo. Meron namang fraction dito, di ba? Parenthesis, then yung fraction, 1 over 7.5, then minus 1 fraction ulit, 1 over 4, then close parenthesis. Equals, the answer is negative 0.1 over di is equals to negative 0.1167 centimeter. Did you get this? Did you get this? Okay, good. Now, how we're going to simplify this? Imaginarily, merong 1 dyan, tama? Pagpalitin mo lang. Itaas mo to. Ikaw ang bumaba, yung 1 na nasa taas. Magiging di is equals to 1 over negative. Design may 1 na sa taas yan, di mo mababa negative. 0.1167. Tapos yung CM, yan mo na sa taas. Yung bababa yan eh, no? Malinaw? Oh, what's the answer? So, yung sagot ko nito, 1 divided by answer is equals to, the answer is, my di now is equals to, negative 8.57. Very good. Centimeter. Ito ngayon ang ating distance. Layo ng sagot ko, sir. Bakit? 7.7 lang yung nakuha ko sa graphical method eh. Sa akin, sir, 8. Pwede na ba yun? O, pwede na yun. Sige. Malinaw? Sir, ako 8.2. Yan. So, nakita nyo na, malayo. Next ating isa-solve. HI. Use the magnification equation. HI over HO is equals to negative di over do. Cross multiplying HI times do is equals to HO times negative di. We're trying to solve for HI. So, remove do by dividing both equation with do. So, makakancel yung do. Right? HI now is equals to HO times negative di over do. Substitute the values. Oh, HI. Ano yung HO natin? Yun, 2 centimeters. Ano yung di natin? Negative. Tapos, times negative. Dalawa yung negative, tama? 8.57 centimeter. Divided by do. 4 centimeter. Okay, paki-compute. This will become positive, tama? Positive na siya kasi negative times negative is positive. So what would be the value of HI? 4.28 centimeter. Tama? So ang height natin ay 4.28. Uy, sir, nakuha ko 4.1. Pwede na yon? Sa graphical. Sa graphical, pwede na yung 4.1. Sir, ako nakuha ko 4.0. May na-measure na ako dito. I think hindi nakakuha ng eksakto. Now, how we're going to describe the L, O, S, and T? Location, orientation, size, and type. Ganito lang. Tignan mo muna yung DI. Ano yung DI mo? Negative. Kapag ito nag-negative, ibig sabihin, ang object mo ay, ang type ng object mo ay, ano to? Virtual. Virtual. Eh, sir, paano magiging real? Kapag positive ang DI mo, real. Malinaw? Sign convention lang. Pag positive ang DI, real. Pag negative ang DI, virtual. Next, orientation. Tignan mo yung height ng image. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Pag positive, upright. Kapag negative, upside down or inverted. Ano nakuha natin? So it is upright. Nakatayo. Size. O, di pagkumparahin mo yung HO at saka HI, ano yung HO? 2 cm. Ano yung HI? 4. Ano nangyari? Lumaki. So ano lalagay? Thank you. Tama. Magnify. And lastly, ano ang location mo? Since ang sagot mo rito ay virtual, nangangahulugan lang yan na yan ay nasa kabila ng salamin. Behind the mirror. It is behind the mirror. Malinaw po? Okay?